Alright. Wow, though we had Jesus Christ. The battery life in this sucks. But we have enough time to do one picture. Okay. I'm testing out these, by the way. Yeah. Let's just do the blue and the purple. No, yeah. No, no. I'm gonna do the red. Let's just do the red real quick. Okay. Gee, yeah. If you don't use this, the battery life is sucky on this. But whatever. Okay. You get this a little bit closer. Let's make a sun or something. So they do actually yeah. Wow. You have to do that, stupid. Okay, so these do draw decently, as you can see. Actually, I should have this more down so you can see it. Yeah. It does smell like strawberry. Let's twist it a little bit. I have another pack, so I'm gonna look up. Okay. You know, I'm gonna use the blue and the purple for something too, so we get that too. No, well. But you have to do that constantly, which is stupid. You know? Yeah, perhaps it wasn't the best. Let me see. This is just whatever. You gotta constantly do that, and I hate that. Okay. Oh, dude, that looks nice. Just a quick thing, just to, you know, do what have you. These do work, obviously. So, yeah. Oh, God, I gotta put this on the charger already? Damn! Anyway. God bless. And peace. Here's what I made. Here's my JYK creation. Anyway. Peace.